Hey.
Welcome to the third episode of our series, Setting Up Our Studio, and today we're going to continue our saga here in the middle of the mess. We started this here, this is just the beginning, okay? You'll see what we're going to do in here today. Now the smell from the termites is much weaker since we put some treatment on them. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to remove these tools that are still here so we can pour some water in here, or if not, give it a good sweep so we can really clean this up. So, sit down, grab yourself a snack to eat, and let's get to work. Music. Alright, now I've taken everything off the walls to avoid attracting insects. Music. Now let's sweep this place and scrub it. Man, I already brought the broom, the squeegee, and there's a stick over there too for us to carry water. We're going to remove the excess first with the broom and then we'll throw water and wash it. Just be careful with the motors that can't be removed, right? Those two over there, but it'll work out. Music. Man, does it already look different? I already got a lot of dirt out of here. Now let's throw some water on this, scrub it, and try to get as much dirt out as possible. Now look at how much I'm sweating, man. Look, this is sweat, dude. Music. It's not easy, no music. Now I'm going to spread some water in here. Music. And then I'm going to put this here. Look, that Padrex to clean the floor. Music. Since these walls are still really ugly, I decided to paint this here. I have these really old paints here that have gone bad a long time ago. I'm going to mix them all together and turn them into a single paint, and let's see what happens. Alright, let's go. So, I don't think they'll even come out of the bottle. I'll have to cut the bottles open and then as I mix them, they'll turn into paint again. Look, this here is blue music. It's really old, man. These paints have been in there for around 10 years. This music here is ugly. The music is stinking. Alright, man, music. It's been spoiled for a long time. Music. This one here. I think it's the white paint. Since this is a messy room. I didn't buy paint for this. No way. Music. Music. The last thing is to take it easy, no matter what or how much. Alright, it's settled. Let's paint this thing. Music. Look here, this is how I am, Mano. Look, I'm all dirty, man. Music. Huh? But it really has to be quick, because otherwise it dries on top of things and there's no time to wash it. So now we're going to get some water and wash everything we can to remove the excess, get all this paint out, and make it look really great. Let's go, music. Look, how is it now? My phone ran out of battery and I couldn't record anymore. Look, I washed everything, finished removing the paint, washed it. Look, it turned out good, man. It's not amazing or anything, right? There are some spots where the paint doesn't stick properly, right? But it's really good, man. Way better than it was before. It covered up most of the termite spots. I'm going to fix up the top here. We'll have to put a cover over there another day so the rats can't get in here anymore. Let's bring the stuff inside then, Musica. Man, after an exhausting afternoon, we're done. I'll show you how it turned out, man. It was worth it. Starting out here, the table is clean, the hallway is clean. We just didn't paint the outside, mainly because there's a lot to do out there. Leave it be, for now, including in the next episodes. We're probably going to seal this area here with cement so the rats stop getting inside, because they're responsible for a lot of the mess. It's a bit dark because I haven't turned on the power yet, and I don't want to because some things are still a bit wet. I ended up getting some outlets wet, but anyway, everything fit in here just fine. I didn't need to use that lower part. I put everything in here. There are still things here that need to be fixed because this thing has a problem. It's falling apart, but it's much better now, man. Now, yes, it's possible to make videos in here. Very soon we're going to work on the other studio so we can record the indoor videos. It's going to be really cool, so I'll see you in the next one.